shut down that shop. Okay?
I'm sick of both of them.
I know you are.
Especially Cade's attitude about everything. He's not a very good worker. He's not a hard worker. He screws off when he's here, and he frickin' doesn't do a good job at what he's paid to do. As far as I'm concerned, he can pack this and go back to Indiana.
You don't know exactly what goes on all day long here, do you?
John, I'm out there and around everything more than you are. You sit here at your desk on your frickin' hot boat online. Okay, and I don't need to be here all the time every day to know that they're not doing their job when I have everybody else around here telling you the same thing.
I don't like to admit it, but Leah really had a point, so I decided to call the sound boys into my office to have a little talk. Again, 4.5 months, and you guys managed to actually break even in a week. Every other week, you guys have been going backwards. I want you guys to start working and get stuff done during the day while you're here, instead of jerking around all the time, trying to think of things that you can do to screw with me. Because you guys are willing to take pay cuts.
Right, from my favor. Son, it's a done deal.
I'm serious about this.
I'm sick of fighting about everything.
Well, no, you're sick of fighting about everything. Where the hell do you think the money's coming from for ultrasound?
I'm trying the best I can, John.
Where do you think the money's coming for ultrasound? Judging by your own time card, how have you made me any money?
Staying up 3 in the morning because everybody else falls behind is not my job. My job is not to make up for everybody else dragging their ass. That's it. So if you say, hey, real loosely off your tongue, that boys will stay all night, that's bull. I'm not staying up 3, 4 in the morning to do something the next day is just going to sit there and not get touched all day.
You told me you're not going to do something that's a paying job when I'm guaranteeing you a paycheck every Friday.
I'm done with that. After John tore into us last night, we decided to step it up and actually show John what we can do. John's always coming around here telling us we don't get things done. We always get things done. That's the way we work. A lot of people seem to think me and Jason just goof off. Hey, how they look? We work a lot of late nights. We're usually here till 10, 11 every night. We work 7 days a week. People say we don't work or we don't take our job serious or we don't earn our paychecks. They have no right to say that because they're not here. They leave at 5.
I came up to test out the steering wheel on it to see how it was going to look. And I think, came out pretty sick.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
You don't like it?
No, I don't like it. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't like it.
Why not?
Because it's plain.
It's going to have the rope in it.
There's a rope in it.
Still going to have the rope in it.
Where's the PBR logo that you want?
The PBR is going to be in the center.
I have a really better idea. Can I show it to you guys?
I'm open for anything, whatever. I think this thing looks sick.
Remember when you said we couldn't make a steering wheel out of Flexi? Me, Gabe, and Matt came up with a really cool idea. I think you're really going to like it.
Okay.
Oh my
Oh, no,
God.
wait. And it lights up. I didn't give you this, bro.
I saw that.
I just got freaking goosebumps.
That's awesome. That is sick.
John told us there's no way we'd get the steering wheel done out of glass. Anytime anybody tells me or Jason that we can't get something done, it will get done, and it'll be better than what they thought. That's just guaranteed. That's the most expensive beer holder I've ever had. Seeing the steering wheel going on the boat give me a nice sense of satisfaction, make me feel real good about everything that's going on. We're going to have to stay here all night to get the boat done. John bet us breakfast that we couldn't do it.
Dave, did you guys really actually fall asleep in here? You guys just doing this to screw with me? How late did you guys end up working?
5:30, quarter to 6, somewhere or
Okay, so you've had a couple hours sleep, time to get up. So, am I going to be happy?
Both.
Dude, sounds good, man. So, does CD work?
Yeah.
This is awesome, guys. This is real awesome. Let's go get some breakfast.
Well, you might not want to. We got one boo-boo. I'll go back.
Oh my God. You've got to be kidding me, dude. I couldn't believe they put a screw through the boat.
We were putting in ceiling.
And you didn't think about the fact that that's fiberglass?
Well, I grabbed the screw next to me. I didn't realize it was a 3-inch long finger. It's in the white, though, John. It should be easy.
It's not in the white. That's a blend.
You can't see it from in there.
Yeah, no
So how do we go about fixing that?
Trying to decide right now.
Did we just shave it down in London?
No! It's a screw. It'll start rusting. That screw's got to come out so we can fill the hole.
You know, work on it after breakfast.
So I take it. You're with me right now.
Paybacks are a bitch, aren't they, John?
You got glued it. They got me awesome on that screw. It's such a long screw at that. Come on. You guys want to go to breakfast?
Let's go, man. I'm starving.